Ever wondered how protein bars are made so fast?
From raw ingredients to packed protein bars in minutes. Watch how precision and speed create perfect protein bars. Experience the full journey of protein bars in seconds.
This is how protein bars go from factory to shelf so fast.
This is how protein bars go from factory to shelf so fast.
Let's get the freshest oats for our protein bars.
These nuts are key for our protein bars crunch.
Quality dried fruits make our protein bars delicious.
Indunexa gestures to move ingredients forward. Precision is everything for protein bars.
From the farm to our facility, ensuring quality every step of the way. Welcome to the protein bars production line. Safety first as our protein bars head to the facility. Long roads, but every mile counts for protein bars.
Good morning. I have the protein bar ingredients delivery.
Welcome to Indunexa. Proceed through the gate.
Protein bars ingredients are finally home.
The Indunexa team directs the crates forward along the conveyor, ensuring a smooth flow to the silos.
This is where protein bars production officially begins.
Indunexa. Our trucks are arriving at the doors now. Everything is secured for protein bars production.
Indunexa signals the workers to move the crates forward.
Let's bring these ingredients to life for protein bars.
Indunexa gives thumbs up.
Everything is ready for protein bars to begin production. We closely monitor the process.
Ensure the flow rate is constant right there.
This is where protein bars start their journey.
Clean ingredients are the foundation of great protein bars.
Everything is sterilized. Go ahead and continue the flow.
Sorting ensures consistency in every protein bar.
Quality control is paramount. We accept only the best for our protein bars. Precision sifting prepares our protein bars perfectly.
Indunexa signals arm to continue.
All ready for the heart of protein bars production.
This is where protein bars begin taking shape.
Consistency here ensures perfect protein bars.
The mixture is now entering the pre-press rollers. Indunexa ensures consistent slab thickness.
Every protein bar must be perfectly shaped.
The Indunexa employee checks the temperature gauges to ensure even cooling.
Quality control begins here for protein bars.
Maintain the flow rate. The coating process is beginning.
Coating gives every protein bar its perfect finish.
Indunexa checks temperature and consistency.
Each protein bar gets its signature crunch.
Indunexa adjusts roller pressure.
Each protein bar gets its signature crunch. Flavor is key for every protein bar experience. Flavor is key for every protein bar experience.
Uniform protein bars are ready for the next stage.
Indunexa gestures that the bars are ready.
Automation ensures every protein bar is perfectly wrapped.
Indunexa checks seal quality.
Each protein bar is now fully identified.
Indunexa monitors robot efficiency. Proper alignment speeds up protein bars packaging.
Batch consistency verified. Everything is good.
Counting ensures every shipment of protein bars is complete.
Indunexa signals line is ready.
Every protein bar must meet our exact standards.
Indunexa adjusts machine to ensure precision. Only perfect protein bars move forward.
Indunexa monitors automation line. Sealed boxes keep our protein bars safe.
Indunexa gestures the line is ready.
Every batch of protein bars is tested for quality.
Indunexa records measurements.
This ensures every protein bar meets standards.
The Caucasian female Indunexa technician marks approved bars.
Shelf life testing guarantees protein bars' freshness. Approved protein bars are ready for packaging.
Each pallet holds hundreds of protein bars, ready for shipment.
Indunexa gestures forklifts to proceed.
Our protein bars are stored safely before distribution.
From storage to dispatch, every pallet is accounted for in our climate-controlled system.
Protein bars are on their way to retailers and gyms.
From raw ingredients to finished bars, the journey is complete.
And this is how modern factories produce protein bars from start to finish.